We came to Tolosa for a concert, but what we found was a town full of character, colorful squares, riverside views, and centuries of Basque history. Let's take a walk through one of the most charming towns in Gipuzkoa. Tolosa grew along the banks of the Uria River, which played an important role in trade and transport for centuries. Today, the river remains at the heart of the town, adding movement and life to its historic streets. This small cascade may seem simple, but it creates one of the most relaxing corners of Tolosa. The sound of flowing water provides a pleasant contrast to the busy town center just a few steps away. One of the best ways to experience Tolosa is simply by wandering its narrow streets. Many of these routes follow the medieval layout of the town, preserving a sense of history around every corner. For generations, Plaza de la Verdadura has been linked to local commerce. Farmers once gathered here to sell vegetables and produce, giving the square the name it still carries today. The Mercado del Tinglado is one of Tolosa's most recognizable landmarks. Designed with iron and glass, it reflects the influence of 19th century market architecture while remaining an active part of local life. Standing proudly above the town, the Church of Santa Maria is one of Tolosa's most important religious landmarks. Its Gothic origins date back centuries and reflect the town's historic significance in the Basque Country. Culture has always played an important role in Tolosa. The Cultura Echea serves as a center for exhibitions, events, and artistic activities that help keep local traditions alive. Tolosa's bullring reflects a tradition that has been part of Spanish culture for generations. Today, beyond its original purpose, it also serves as a venue for various community events and gatherings. And this was the reason for our visit. Leidor Aretoa is Tolosa's principal theater and cultural venue. We came here to attend the European Grand Prix for choral singing, bringing together performers and audiences through a shared love of music.